The every word is a combination of letters. Words are amazing. This finest talk is original till the last word you will hear today. Stay, focus, learn. You will hear also about the talk loud and alone solution, something I practice and help me before an important talk. We have a limited number of words in our vocabulary, using the same words in different ways and order, combined with different emotions and life circumstances. The result is a new amazing day every day. Using the same words, some people get success, other people have more life problems. They said the wrong words in the wrong moment. In every talk on this channel, almost 70% of the words are the same, but the message is different every day. Wanna be happy? Or to find a life partner? Or make money? Learn to use words and express them. Welcome to ENRICH Talks, a place of inspiration and unique ideas that can help you. A secret that is found in words, and the talk loud alone solution you will find in the end of this episode. If you learn to write, think, and communicate in words, and you can play stupid or play smart, you can control the conversation or even manipulate people. You can influence others to say the words you want to hear, and get the answers you want to receive. Feeling the message behind the words, and express powerful emotions combining only the words people want to hear, you can win them by your side. Remember this: you have so much to give, to love, so much to be, and when it comes to express your emotions you start babbling. When you are angry, you choke with the words you want to say, and you don't have air to throw them out. When you feel excitement you hiccup and cannot focus. Words are amazing, still the main problem that people have is the poor vocabulary. They didn't read enough when they were young, they lack imagination or they are lazy, they don't want to improve their life. In Bible book of Proverbs chapter 25 is written, a word spoken at the right time, is like a golden apple on a silver plate. We survive, we swim, we float in waters of words, in every moment we feel words. Music is words with musical notes, the voice of our employer when we says, I think for you, you just have to work more. The words of love we offer, and receive back. The bad news we like to hear every day, are just words with toxic information. The words from a meditation or a prayer, words that give peace to our soul. The words we use can change and shape the reality around us. Try just to smile and use positive words with anyone you encounter, they will remember you. People can escape poverty and solve life problems, is they ask the right questions and ask for help in the right way, but the majority is afraid of words, they prefer silence. We resonate, vibrate, and identify with words. We take decision based on the words we hear, even if the same words can have two or more messages, according to the voice tone of the person who speak or the accent put on a special letter of the word used. Authentic, original, like a breath of fresh air and visionary man, an observer of society, this is me. I want to break free from this routine life, to escape programmed obligations, called work. To escape forced input responsibilities and to choose when I work, what I want to do and for how much money and how much time. My conditions. Learn new words, learn a new language and grow your knowledge. English is not my native language, but I love her, me, and the English language lived together for nearly 30 years. The only thing I was perseverant at, feeling the message behind the words, and express powerful emotions combining only the words people want to hear. I also preach about God's work, in a small village church. Let's try again. is the name of a future book I intend to write. Just two important thoughts. 1. Statistics say that women use more words than men every day, but some men have problems talking too much, and I am one of them. Once upon a time, a few years ago, 1 hour before going on a date with a girl, I stayed in front of the window and talked to the window. I say all the things I wanted to say to that girl. 1 hour I talked alone, put my ideas in order, listened to my voice, timing, emotions, voice tone, and consume the words for that day. When I was with the girl, I was focused on the present moment and with a temperate attitude. Also I listened to her more than I talked. I talk much, and I speak very fast. Then, you can get bored if you don't find interesting what message I have to say. So I consume my words before, and then I feel relaxed. The second idea is that if you are good at using words, and also a good listener, you detect the level of knowledge of the person you talk with and you can lower your level of conversation to be comprehensive, or if the other person is smart like you will have a conversation at a high level, exchange information, and create new thoughts and ideas. Words are a free tool that you can use and save yourself in any situation. Before I convert this text in voice, using Balabolka program, I listen at the speed 5 times faster, so I can hear if one word sounds strange, or if eventually there is a grammatical error, or a missing writing sign. 2 links in the description of this video and it's time to start. Yes, you now, use the words in your advantage, don't listen to what other people want you to hear. Subscribe, give a like and a share on Instagram. Maybe your friends will find helpful this message about amazing words. Thank you.